let me show you how I make the mini password logbook. This is the cover sheets I'm going to be using, and this is the chipboard I'm going to be using. It's a 3 by 5.5. This is the pages I'm going to be using. I printed 4 pages in one, so I'm going to cut it in half and then in a quarter. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here at 5.5 inches, which is half of the sheet. And then I'm going to cut here at 4.25, which is a quarter of the sheet. After this, I'm going to cut at the 3 inch, and this is my page. So I get 4 pages from one sheet. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same right here with all of my other sheets. I did print 4 different designs. So the password logbook is to keep track of your password from website, from subscriptions, and this is very discreet as it does not show any title mentioning that it's a logbook. So that's the good part of it. So I'm here finishing up and cutting the mini sheets. This is one design, and I printed 4 different designs. It's a cherry theme. So we're going to put the sheets together, and then we're going to go ahead and now do our covers. For our covers, I use this sticker sheet, and I'm going to go ahead and center it right here and slide my squeegee to the chipboard. I'm going to go ahead and fold the edges, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a white sticker strip right here just so the edges do not peel off. It just kind of gives it an extra protection. This is how I do it for my back cover. I remove a little bit from the back sheet, and then I just center it, align it, and smooth it out. And then I fold my edges and add my center, my back white sticker strip. Now that I have everything all set up, I'm going to go ahead and punch. I use this punch binding machine. And as you could see, I do not put a lot of sheets in there. I could probably max put 7 sheets in there. So it does take me a little while depending on how many pages I'm uh, punching for each notebook. And then so I'm finishing up right here, and then I'll go ahead and do my covers. Once I do my covers, what I use to bind it is a spiral bind. As you can see, I'm going to just put everything together and spiral bind it right here. So this is my mini password logbook. This is how I make it. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to follow if you want to watch more of these kinds of videos. And leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you.